Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this cute little bird watering can. This is actually really cool because this holds up to half a gallon of water, and it actually creates a nice little eye-catching design that you can set out, even buy some plants as a decoration. But then of course it has a nice spout that allows you to go ahead and water the plants using this. Very nice ergonomic round handle, easy to hold, easy, even a kid can do it. We can go ahead and water some plants here. This is a beautiful design that is actually a very cute design. I had not seen one quite like this just yet, but the way that they have the spout and everything on this allows for a relatively ease of pour and drip-free design. As you can see at the end of this here, how they've kind of got this cut, almost like a little tongue out of the bottom of that to allow that to pour out of there nice and easy. This is a completely metal, very sturdy, very well built. Everything is welded and attached on here really well. So this should last for many years to come.